Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how this Amazon report can save your listings. Let's get into it. One of the most overlooked but powerful tools inside Seller Central is the Category Listings Report. Many sellers aren't even aware it exists, yet it can provide crucial insights into your listings, protect your catalog from unwanted changes, and even help increase sales. At its core, Amazon is a massive database. Every product detail, titles, bullet points, keywords, attributes, and dimensions lives inside that database. The challenge is that data doesn't always remain exactly as entered. Amazon may change requirements, competitor activity may result in edits, or the catalog team may make updates without notice. The Category Listings Report provides visibility into all of these details in one centralized spreadsheet. Accessing it is simple. From the Seller Central menu, go to Reports, Inventory Reports. There, you should see Category Listings Report as an option in the drop-down. If it isn't visible in your account, you can request access through Seller Support. In most cases, it's enabled quickly. Once you select the report, you can choose a date range. This feature is especially helpful for sellers with large catalogs who don't want to download thousands of inactive listings. Selecting a recent date ensures the report only includes new or active SKUs. After submitting the request, Amazon generates the file. Depending on the number of listings, it may be ready within minutes or take longer for larger catalogs. When downloaded, the report opens as a spreadsheet where each row corresponds to a SKU. It's important to note that this data is SKU-based, not ASIN-based. For example, a single product with both FBA and FBM offers will appear in multiple rows. Within the spreadsheet, sellers can review details such as brand name, product identifiers, bullet points, keywords, compliance attributes, and more. Expanding hidden fields is strongly recommended, as these often contain critical information like fabric type or dangerous goods details. The report also highlights missing or incorrect fields. Required attributes may appear in red, indicating they must be completed to remain compliant. Amazon also provides valid values within the file, which guides sellers in selecting the correct entries to avoid upload errors. In addition to compliance, this report is a defensive tool. In competitive categories, it is not uncommon for rivals to alter listing details via flat files. By monitoring the Category Listings Report, sellers can quickly identify unauthorized changes, such as false claims or incorrect compliance information, and correct them before performance suffers. It also offers opportunities to reduce costs. For instance, discrepancies in product dimensions can result in higher FBA fees. If the report shows inflated measurements compared to the actual size, sellers can request a remeasure from Amazon and potentially lower their fees. Another best practice is to use the report as a backup. Before making changes to listings, whether directly in Seller Central or via flat file, download the Category Listings Report to preserve a clean version of your catalog data. Additionally, generating the full report once a month ensures that you always have a recent backup to reference if issues arise. Ultimately, the Category Listings Report is far more than just a spreadsheet. It's a tool for compliance, listing protection, cost savings, and catalog accuracy. Sellers who make it part of their regular routine gain greater control over their listings and reduce the risks of unexpected problems on Amazon. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.